In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy hack to make your clothes fit better. I just went through my closet and I have a bunch of shirts and dresses that just don't fit right. And my friend showed me this trick that makes all your clothes fit a little more flattering. All you need is thread, scissors, and elastic. I chose a picot elastic so it had a decorative edge, but you can use any elastic you like. And then your shirt or dress. Okay, so we're going to start by taking the garment and flipping it inside out. And then at the back of the shirt, we're going to cut away the strap at the seam, up until the side seam. We're going to do that for both straps. So as you can see, I've just detached the back of the shirt from the straps up until the side seam. Then you're going to fold that piece down and cut it away, leaving a 1 centimeter seam allowance. The seam allowance is because we're going to add a strip of elastic at the back. While adding the elastic, you can add a little more shape to your garment as well. So the shorter the elastic, the more cinch in the back, or you can add a longer elastic and have it a little less fitted. You're going to flip your shirt again right side out and determine the length you'd like for your elastic and cut it. Before we attach the elastic, we're going to cut the straps. So you're just going to trim away before the side seam the straps. I like to trim it at an angle because it ends up creating a smoother finish for the elastic. If your straps are thicker, it's better to keep them cut at an angle, but if they're thinner, it may be easier to tie them in a knot to prevent them from fraying. We're now ready to add the elastic. So with the decorative edge facing down, we're going to sew with a zigzag stitch. And you want to make sure that it's on the right side of your fabric. So right sides facing together. The second stitch will be folded over, but I'll show you that again after. So again, with a zigzag stitch, you're just going to attach your elastic, pulling it accordingly so that it fits the back of your shirt. Once you're finished that first zigzag stitch, you're just going to trim away any of the extra fabric that's poking through the bottom of the elastic. You're then going to fold over that piece of elastic and do your second zigzag stitch. This is going to be a top stitch on the right side of your fabric. Okay, so here's what the top looked like at the beginning, and then here's the halter version, which I think fits a lot better. I'm now going to show you how to do it with the dress, which is just a thinner strap is the only difference. So we're again going to start by cutting away the straps at the back of the dress up until the side seam. Then we're going to fold over that back piece and trim it away, leaving a bit of seam allowance. Then again at the side seam, you're going to detach the straps, but this time you're just going to tie a little knot at the end of the strap. And then we're just going to do all the exact same steps. So flipping our dress right side out, we're going to trim away the length that we'd like for the elastic, and then attach it with the decorative side facing down. So again, the first stitch is right side of the elastic on right side of the fabric. And then you're going to trim away any of the excess fabric that's poking out from underneath the elastic. And then you're going to flip the elastic over and do your second top stitch, again a zigzag stitch. I also think that the elastic makes for a really pretty detail on the dress. So again, here's what it used to look like, and now here's the halter version, which I think fits a lot better. And you're all done! Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe.